Big Papa here. I'm gonna cook some orange pork. We're gonna deep fry some center cut pork in buttermilk. And then we're gonna coat them with my special orange sauce, which has a very secret ingredient, oranges. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this nice pork loin, we're gonna make some nuggets out of it. Just gonna get this so they're nice and clear, no fat, trim the edges. So what we're gonna do after we get these, we're gonna put them in a baggie so I can pound them to tenderize them. You guys got your safety glasses on? I don't know how the pork feels about that, but I feel a lot better. Now it's time to make our buttermilk dipping sauce for our center cut buttermilk fried orange nuggets. We're gonna start with 4 eggs. Now a secret ingredient right here, Chipotle Tabasco. It's got just a rich earthiness that I really like and a little kick. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons in here because one's just not enough. Then we're gonna put 2 cups of buttermilk in. And then we're gonna beat these eggs to within an inch of their life. There we go. Okay, let's get our dredging flour ready. We've got it about 2/3 the way, halfway full of flour. We're gonna put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of Little Louis seasoned garlic salt with black pepper. Okay, let's dredge, which means we're gonna take these nuggets, we're gonna take the buttermilk, Chipotle Tabasco, and egg mix. What I want to do is I want to shake off a lot of the flour. Now, if I wanted to, I could actually leave the nuggets in this buttermilk, and the buttermilk would act like kind of a wet brine and tenderize. But I've pounded them, so I don't need to do that. They're a lot like your chicken nuggets that you've had somewhere else with the orange sauce, but a lot better. To show you how to make this crazy good orange sauce, let's get going. So we're going to start this. The first thing is nice white processed sugar. We're gonna put that in the bowl. Then we're gonna take some rice wine vinegar right here. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of cucaracha, Big Papa's pepper powder. Here we go. We're gonna put a little double secret. This little soy sauce here. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix this up really good. When the sugar's dissolved, we can get ready to put it in the skillet. Okay, we got the skillet ready, we got it hot. We're gonna put a little peanut oil in there. Then we're gonna take our ginger and our garlic. Nice and softened. Smell that. You know, I think I could bottle this smell. Oh, you guys can't smell it. Well, let me tell you what the smell smells like. It smells like beautiful garlic, beautiful ginger. We're just getting a little heated up here. Just brown it a hair. Okay, then I'm gonna put the sauce in here. Eat it with a little sesame oil now. Orange juice. Very precise squeezing machine I use here. Some lemon. Lemon gives it a little bit of bite here because it's a little sweet with all the sugar, and the orange is actually pretty sweet. So I put the lemon in there to give it a little acid, a little pop. Pretty good. Now we're gonna let it simmer for a little bit. And then I want to just thicken it a little bit. I'm gonna use some cornstarch. Get just the right thickness. Okay, now we're gonna pour this off. We're gonna get ready for the frying. Okay, now we're gonna fry these buttermilk pork nuggets. Get them here nice and good. I said we don't want to crowd the pan too much. All right, to all those people who hate fried food out there, I really could care less about you. Why do the little things make me happy? Let's flip these dogs over here. So I'm looking for a nice crunch. I'm looking for a tender piece of meat. Can't be overdone, it's gotta be just right. I'm somewhere around 150 degrees internal temperature. Okay, we're getting ready to put the sauce on. Now you can serve these as an appetizer. You can serve them on white rice. Maybe cook the white rice with some green onions chopped up in it. And then at the end, just drizzle some of the orange sauce across it. Kind of an Asian or Chinese pork instead of chicken. Just a little green onion there. Here we go. Get ready for some buttermilk battered pork nuggets and Big Papa's orange sauce.